Oh my! In such harsh working conditions, how many days can you last? In Pakistan, to maximize resource use, local workshops use advanced equipment imported at low cost to process leftover wood chips from sawmills into high-quality biofuel. The pile of free wood chips you see now is raw material given by furniture factory owners. Since this is the only workshop in Lahore with the qualification to process wood chips, not only do they have to be transported for free, but 2 workers also need to handle them. To produce higher quality fuel, the wood chips must first be moved from the storage area to the debris removal station. Because these wood chips contain small wood pieces and other debris, a special electric sieve is used to clean them thoroughly, ensuring the raw material is clean and preventing metal debris from damaging the equipment. Once the debris is separated from the wood chips, they need to be manually moved to the conveyor belt of the dryer. Due to varying processing times, the moisture content of these wood chips is uneven. Before formal production, they must be dried using a high-end automatic dryer. The wood chips are transported to the dryer's feed port via a spiral conveyor belt. Today's drying equipment uses an air drying process, with 5 250-liter vacuum drying units and extra long vacuum pipes, reducing the moisture content to 12%. To minimize environmental pollution and reduce dust, a dust cover is thoughtfully installed at the dryer's outlet. When the dried raw material is sufficient for a day's use in the pellet machine, the new worker uses a plastic bucket to pack the wood chips and manually transports them 20 centimeters to the processing workshop overnight. Due to the high dust levels, experienced workers avoid this step, leaving it to new workers to determine if they are suitable for the workshop. After arriving at the processing workshop, the wood chips are mixed again using a blending machine to prevent clumping. Once processed, the wood chips are ready to be made into concentrated pellets. The flat die pellet machine operates quickly, so a sealed conveyor belt is used to add raw materials, improving efficiency and reducing labor intensity. A custom-made discharge mold is installed at the conveyor's outlet to precisely control the feed amount. Inside the pellet machine, the wood chips are processed at 10 degrees Celsius and 150 MPa without any glue, as lignin softens to act as a natural adhesive, binding the fluffy wood chips together. To make them easier to ignite, today's fuel is made into 3-centimeter pellets. The pellet fuel exits the discharge port and is transported by a high-speed rubber conveyor belt to the inclined electric screen. Since the fuel contains many wood chips and small particles, a 3-phase motor drives the screen's transmission mechanism, vibrating at over 20 times per minute to sift them. Fully qualified pellet fuel passes through the screen to the discharge port, where an assistant packs them in burlap sacks. Once the sacks are full, they are placed on an electronic scale for precise weighing, ensuring no discrepancies in each bag's weight, so customers aren't shortchanged. The weighed fuel is temporarily stored before being sent to retail outlets for sale. Here, the bio-pellet fuel made from waste wood chips is successfully produced. What do you think of its quality?